Okay. Well,
it might hit the moon.
It might. That last one was 60 pounds. This time we did it all the way wrapped around. So we did all of them. All the pounds of pressure. In the old Arborist homemade air cannon. Fucking professionals. There we go. Team Ramrod. That's what we need. We need the Ramrod. Ready? All right, hang on. Yeah. Holy shit.
I can see it. There's
yeah, there it is.
Feet, Bubba. Hey. At the garage roof, 160 feet.
160 foot in the air, string off the ground. That is fucking awesome. Yeah. I know it didn't cost $400 to make that son of a bitch.